Today we're looking at finding the surface area of a triangular prism. So the first thing we've got here using our example is we're going to break it up into its component parts. So you can see if we were to cut this open, we would have a triangle, and we'd have another triangle at the other end which would be exactly the same. We'd then have this side panel here, so a side section which is a rectangle, plus another two rectangles which are going to be the same size as our original rectangle, because we've got an equilateral triangle. So although you can see I'm not very good at drawing there, they are actually equal. So in terms of now formulating this into trying to find an answer, we know how we can find the surface area of a triangle, which is half the base times the height, and our rectangle is length times width. So let's try and put that into something that's going to be workable for us. So the surface area of this shape is going to be equal. We've got two triangles, and our formula being half base times height. So what this part of the equation here has found is this part. And we've then got to add three rectangles together. And we know our formula for finding the area of the rectangle is length times width. So that's found this part. So we've got the whole surface area covered. So let's put in the variables we know the value for. We know our base of the triangle is going to be 4. So that's this one going across here. And our height is the dotted line up here, 3.5 centimeters. We can now move to our rectangle. So if we look first of all at this rectangle here, this is 6 centimeters, which also means this one here is 6 centimeters. If that's 6 centimeters, our length is going to be 6, and our width is going to be 4. There's a little triangle there. Now we can simply substitute the values we've found into our formula. So surface area is going to be 2 half times base, which is 4, times height, which is 3.5, plus 3 length, which is 6, times width, which is 4. If we go through, half times 4 times 3.5 is going to be 21, plus 3, 6 fours are 24. So 2 times 21, if we're working through, we go 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 2s are 4, so that's 42. And then 3 times by 4 is 12, so we're going to carry a 1. And 3 2s are 6, we've got the 1 left over, so 70. 2 2s are 4, and then 7 and 4, working with our units, is 11. So 114 centimeters squared. So remember, when you're trying to find the surface area of a rectangular prism, easiest thing to break it into its component shapes, and then you can find the individual surface area from there.